Hi guys, how you going? So I'm here again today for another review. Yes, I've got a knife. But yeah, Aldi's mattresses. So we've been using them for quite a few years now. I reckon for probably at least 5 or 6 years. So now, depending on your Aldi's, what country you're coming from, in particular in Australia, these are the Estelle brand by SOHL. So I'm not sure if that's universal from all over the world, but they're the ones in Australia. And we love them. They're really, really comfortable. We've had no issues with them whatsoever. Again, I'm quite a big guy. They've done us absolutely fine. We've got the van up here now, and we've gone and bought 4 mattresses. So we've got a couple of singles here. We've got a new one which is built a trundle for underneath, and then we've got the queen size. So, and again, if you want to actually see this build, check out the video, check out the description or the link above. And this is again our monster set of bunk beds, queen size and trundle, so it sleeps 5 people. And this is in a 25 foot long annex. Again, I might do some more videos in the future just on the whole setup here, but we've had to try and make everything really, really, really simple and cram in a lot in the tight space. But back to the mattress. So yeah, so they come really compact in these boxes. And again, they're all sucked into these big vacuum bags. And then basically you just zipper open, unroll the mattress, pierce it, and it basically expands. And then the only thing to keep mindful of is that it'll probably take anything up to 48 hours to get to its full size once it's expanded, because when it rolls out, it's like literally this flat. All right. The only thing to be careful of, obviously, is when you're piercing the bag. Obviously, if you're going to use a sharp object, just be careful doing so. All right, let's, and the other thing too is the boxes are really heavy, okay? This one is probably manageable, but that's sort of 26 kilos, but the queen size is pretty much double the weight. So if you actually need to lift it up into the car or anything, you'll need at least 2 people. But what's really good with these is they come with a handle, and what's great is they come with wheels. So at least you can get it along. But even with the queen size one, it comes with wheels, but it is still quite a struggle to get it moving. So if you're going to buy one, you might need some help. Alright. Instruction manual. Like everything, we don't really read them. Instruction manual for a mattress, I'm not quite sure. Let's have a quick look. Warranty card, again, comes with a 1-year warranty. Okay, like I said before, it takes up to 48 hours to inflate. Be careful with scissors and knives. This is interesting. So this is the repairs and refurbished goods or parts notice for a single size mattress. Okay, it says, unfortunately from time to time, faulty products are manufactured which need to be returned to the supplier for repair. Please be aware that your product is capable of retaining user-generated data, such as files stored on a computer hard drive, telephone numbers on the mobile phone, songs stored on portable media, games, so forth. We recommend that you save this data elsewhere prior to sending the product for repair. And this is for a single-size mattress. So I don't know if that's a mistake or it's just something that generic they put on everything, but yeah. All right. Now we've got this trundle here. So this has been designed to be basically slide out into this space here. But what we'll do is we'll slide it out here. Okay. Now everything here I've built it purposely to match all these mattress sizes. All right. So let's get this. So this is what I'm saying about being careful. I like this one. Important. Mattress expands to full size once unpacked and cannot be re-put back into the box. I assume they've had someone try and do that to return it. kisser. Alright, now this is actual underside of the mattress. What's another great thing is they come with handles. So the queen size, the kings, the singles, all comes with handles, which is fantastic. Obviously you get these silica gel packs. I was getting worried there for a second. I thought I made the trundle too small. And again, these are 24 centimeters high. Same for the queen. Now, how do I know all these measurements? This is 152 centimeters wide by 203 centimeters long. And the top ones are 92 centimeters wide by 188 centimeters long. So, how do I know all these measurements? Because I had to build this to make sure it fitted. All right, cool. All right, so I'll slide that in under there. All right, so that's all done. So that'll take a little bit of time to inflate. I've just made it perfectly, so I can slide in under there. All right. So that's it. So I never thought I'd do a video on mattresses, but again, we use them a lot and they've been fantastic. So I thought I'd let you know. Always, I'm very inquisitive when I go out and buy things. Again, they're relatively cheap, which is fantastic, but they do the job. Again, we've got multiple years of use out of them. So, all right, hope you like the content. Give it a thumbs up if you can. If you know anyone that's interested, please share it around. And if you're enjoying the channel, subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.